If you're new in Malaysia, or you've been living here for a long time, even if you're a Malaysian citizen, this video is for you. Because if your Hotlink SIM is not properly registered, it simply won't work. Today, I'll show you how to activate your Hotlink SIM using your passport or ID step by step in the easiest way. First, install the Hotlink app on your mobile phone. It is available on both the Google Play Store and the App Store. Simply search for the Hotlink app and install it on your device. Now, open the app on your device. Once you open it, you'll see an interface like this. From here, select your option, tap on Activate or Get New SIM. In step 3, select the type of SIM you're using. Choose whether your SIM is a physical SIM or an eSIM. After selecting your SIM type, scan the barcode on your SIM card. Make sure the barcode is clearly visible while scanning. After scanning, a new page will open. From here, select your ID type. If you're a foreigner, choose Passport. And if you're a Malaysian citizen, select your MyCard, ID card. After selecting your ID type, tap on the Continue button. Here, tick the small checkbox, then press the Let's Start button. Now, scan your passport or ID card. Remember to scan the same type of ID you selected earlier. Once the scan is successful, you'll see your name and ID number displayed on the screen. After checking that everything is correct, tap the Confirm button. Next, you need to complete face verification. Move your face slowly, left, right, up, and down, as shown on the screen. Once the verification is complete, a check mark will appear. Then, tap the Proceed button. Now, fill in your personal details and address carefully. Make sure all the information is correct before proceeding. After checking that all your information is correct, tap the Submit button to complete the registration. Your SIM activation request successful. You will receive activation SMS from us approximately 2.5 minutes.